Hello, allow us to introduce ourselves to you so you have an idea of whom you are dealing with. Welcome to yet another no-thrills video taken by John, Joanna, or Poppy for our site bg.house. The company name is Nyama Problemi, which when translated, means no problems. Our property website is www.bg.house. All properties offered to you are 100% freehold, and we have been selling properties for 20 years, so we have all the experience to help in any situation. Our main office is located in the town of Popovo. Popovo is a small but busy town with a village-like community with a feel and outlook, which of course is a very safe environment to live, work and play. Whether as a retiree, young couple, or even as a child attending school, there is a lot to be said for the area of Popovo, which is in Targovishta. As Bulgarian edges closer to adopting the euro, property prices are on the move. Although there are some low-end investments still being offered on the market, these days they are becoming less and less as the prices are on the rise. As you watch the videos of these low-end properties, you may find yourself shocked by the state of the properties or the grounds, with literally rubbish left behind as they had not been cleaned out prior to being offered for sale. Or the gardens are all overgrown. Well, believe it or not, that is very good news for any low-end investor or purchaser. This means you are looking at a property with the scope to make a profit or buy it at its absolute lowest market price, with no more than a few days' work cleaning and moving rubbish. The property itself can be resold at a profit. Without a massive outlay on repairs, this is just one way to make a profit with ease. We are always on hand to offer advice if needed. On the other hand, there is an unbelievable demand for finished properties that are ready to move into. So again, the real estate market is well worth looking into. There seems to be something for everybody. Please subscribe to our channel below and visit our website and see what there is for you.
This property is ready to move into. You can arrive with your belongings and start your new life. You may wish just to use it for a holiday, which again the house is totally suited. Romantic Bulgarian house. Imagine waking up every morning to the fresh country air, the chirping of birds, and the sight of the golden sun rising over the rolling hills of rural Bulgaria. Now, imagine having all of this right at your doorstep with the romantic Bulgarian house for sale in Katselovo, Ruse. This charming village is a hidden gem, filled with friendly locals, quaint shops, a lively bar, a bustling library, and even a convenient bus stop for those looking to explore further afield. But perhaps the best part of Katselovo is the stunning views of the surrounding Bulgarian countryside that are truly breathtaking. The romantic Bulgarian house for sale in Katselovo is a peaceful and private retreat, set on a picturesque hill that overlooks the village. With a big open-plan kitchen dining area downstairs and a balcony upstairs boasting scenic views, this cozy home has everything you need for comfortable living. Additionally, there are 3 bedrooms, a corridor, and a well-appointed bathroom. You'll have access to water and electricity, and there's even a small storage unit in the garden, as well as a garage and extra storage space. The garden itself is about 1,200 square meters, filled with lush grass and a variety of fruit trees, making it the perfect place for relaxation and rejuvenation. Whether you're looking for a romantic holiday getaway or a peaceful and cozy life in Bulgaria, the romantic Bulgarian house for sale in Katselovo is a truly special place that is not to be missed. Come and see it for yourself today. You should watch this video all the way through, as we have tried to take in every aspect of the property. The property is owned by a friendly English couple who still live in the village but now in another house. They will, I am sure, help the new owners settle in with introductions to the locals and the experts already in the village.